Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Bird Buddy camera isn't recording videos, you may still receive bird notifications or photos, but no video clips are saved when birds stop by. This can happen even when the camera appears to be working normally, making it confusing to figure out what's missing. In many cases, the issue is related to recording preferences, camera activity, or temporary software behavior instead of a hardware fault. Before resetting the camera or contacting support, there are a few simple checks that can help restore video recording. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy fixes you can try. 1. Review the recording mode and make sure video capture is enabled for bird visits. 2. Keep the feeder within the camera's recommended viewing distance for proper event capture. 3. Allow completed recordings to finish syncing before checking your video library. 4. Inspect the camera view for dirt, webs, or obstructions that may affect event detection. 5. Reposition the feeder to reduce constant background movement from nearby trees or tall grass.